Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour of the stunning beaches of Porto de Galinhas in Brazil. I'm excited to show you around and take you on an unforgettable journey through the beauty of this coastal paradise. Before we start, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
It's a great place to soak up the sun, take a swim, or simply relax under the shade of a palm tree. As we continue our tour, we'll head to the picturesque Maracat Beach, famous for its natural pools and strong waves. This beach is a popular spot for surfers and kiteboarders, and the scenery is nothing short of spectacular. The stunning rock formations and cliffs make for some truly breathtaking views. Finally, we will explore the charming village of Porto de Galinhas, known for its lively atmosphere, delicious food, and unique handicrafts. Here, you can take a stroll through the town's colorful streets, sample some of the local cuisine, or pick up some souvenirs to take home. As our tour comes to an end, I hope you have enjoyed discovering the beauty of Porto de Galinhas beaches as much as I have. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which beach was your favorite, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.